When the vaccine is produced, the next challenge is to deliver the product safely to every single country in the world. Sinovac's COVID-19 vaccine, CoronaVac, can be transported or stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Sinovac is ready to produce several hundreds of million doses annually. All these vaccines should be safely and quickly transported from Beijing to the rest of the world. Since 2020, Sinovac has delivered CoronaVac in several countries around the world. This has also validated the strength of the cold chain, as in some parts of the world, maintenance of cold chain delivery could be a challenge. During transportation, there can be many challenges which could affect the quality of the product. Sinovac is working with the best logistics providers in the world to make sure nothing goes wrong, no matter if there are delays, missed flights, or extreme temperatures. To secure an unbroken cold chain throughout the entire transportation process, Sinovac is delivering the product in Envirotainer's active temperature-controlled containers, specifically designed to transport pharmaceutical products by air. When the vaccine is ready for shipment, temperature loggers are added to track the temperature. Envirotainer containers are equipped with integrated loggers, which track the temperature around and inside of the container, adjusting it to fit the product's needs. The temperature of the container is normally set at 5 degrees Celsius. During the shipment, there could be several challenges faced, such as cold weather, warm weather, or even delays in different locations during different seasons. Envirotainer E-type container has an operational range of -25 degrees Celsius to +40 degrees Celsius. The container compressors and heaters maintain the temperature within the cargo hold, preserving the shipment temperature integrity. The container information can be continuously monitored at different critical control points through the control unit located outside of the container. We have trained and accredited transport providers following GDP guidelines and regulations, ensuring your products are cared for throughout their entire journey. The last on and first off container is simply prioritized. At the end of the cold chain, it is only possible with the collaboration of various stakeholders and a reliable process flow. Envirotainer's active temperature-controlled containers support CoronaVac to be shipped globally for global epidemic prevention and control.